Hi, my name is Chris Mc Loone, and I am the Senior Editor of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I'd like to talk to you today about the 27th Annual Apparatus Specification and Vehicle Maintenance Symposium presented by the Fire Department Safety Officers Association. Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment is proud to have been named the official media partner of the symposium, which takes place from January 18th through the 20th, 2015 in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Symposium organizers work with the Fire Apparatus Manufacturers Association to ensure that the topics selected cover issues that matter the most to you, like aerial operations safety, the 10 most important things to cover in spec writing, and specifying serviceable apparatus, just to name a few. Plus, who can turn away an opportunity to attend a keynote by Gordon Graham, who's scheduled to talk about risk management at this year's symposium. This symposium has something for everyone: members of apparatus purchasing committees, fleet managers, emergency vehicle technicians, and even chiefs who may be grappling with how to secure funding for their capital expenditures. Chiefs, you may want to attend the general session covering political aspects of apparatus purchasing. But what's really special about this event is the unique opportunity it provides to attendees to meet and network with peers. I've written before about how engagement is key in the fire service industry, and at this event, fellow fleet managers and purchasing committees come to talk about issues that they face every day with others who are also facing the same issues. Plus, apparatus manufacturers and equipment suppliers make the trip each year to help you come up with solutions to problems you may face. There are ample opportunities to learn about ways to save money through lessons learned from other departments, as well as to discover solutions to common problems you may be having with your fleets. In so doing, the symposium also serves to connect those who have a passion for the industry to improve quality and reliability while remaining cognizant of purchasing and fleet maintenance costs. While you're there, don't forget to take some time to visit the tabletop exhibits in between sessions to learn what your departments can find in terms of apparatus offerings and equipment. So I'd like you to take a few minutes, visit www.fdsoa.org, and take a look at this year's agenda. There's still time to register and make room reservations, so thanks for taking a few minutes to watch, and I'll see you in January for the 27th Annual Apparatus Specification and Vehicle Maintenance Symposium.